Welcome. Let's begin by finding a position that feels completely comfortable for you, allowing your body to settle gently. Now, close your eyes slowly, like a soft whisper. With every exhale, feel the tension drift away. You're treating yourself with the simple act of being present in this moment. Notice your breath, how it flows naturally. This is your time, your sacred space. As you tune into the rhythm of your breathing, feel your awareness turning inward. This awareness is a gift, a treasure just for you. Give yourself the permission to embrace this moment, to breathe deeply and fully. With each breath, you become more connected with your inner self. Now, invite your muscles to relax one by one. Begin with your face, allowing all the tiny muscles around your eyes, cheeks, and jaw to soften. Move this relaxation down your neck to your shoulders and let them drop as though they're releasing a weight they've been carrying all day. As you explore this relaxation, remember, there's no right or wrong way to let go. This moment is yours, unique to your experience. Each breath guides you deeper into peace, and every exhale lets go of any tension you've been holding on to. Imagine that with every breath, your body is finding the perfect balance of relaxation just for you. Now, allow yourself to drift deeper into the sensation of simply being. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, no expectations, no judgments. Right here, right now, you are enough, you are whole, and you are complete. As you continue to relax, imagine yourself gently walking into a magical forest. The path ahead of you is glowing softly, illuminated by the light of the sun streaming through the trees. The air is fresh, and each step feels effortless, as if you're being guided by something within yourself. Trust the imagery that comes to mind, whether it's a real place you've seen before or something created by your imagination. As you journey deeper into the forest, you notice a warm, inviting clearing ahead. Sunlight pours onto the rich earth, and the entire scene feels peaceful and welcoming. Allow yourself to walk over and lie down in this sunlit space. Feel the warmth of the sun on your face, your neck, your chest and arms, all the way down to your legs and feet. Let the earth cradle you as the sun's rays bathe your body in a comforting warmth. In this moment, you're not thinking, only feeling. Let yourself relax fully into this peaceful space where you are surrounded by nature's gentle embrace. As you lie in this clearing, notice the soft sensation of the earth beneath you and the warmth of the sun above. Feel the energy of this forest as it flows through you, relaxing every part of your being. Your body feels lighter and your mind quieter. You are simply present in the here and now. Feel the energy around you blending with the energy inside you. Your body and mind are perfectly in tune, aligned with this peaceful moment. You are both grounded and light, connected with the world around you. Now, imagine that this warmth and peace you're feeling begins to glow from within you. It spreads through every cell, filling you with light. This light is pure, comforting, and healing. Let yourself bask in this sensation for a few moments. You are safe, whole, and at peace. I will leave you here for a few breaths, just to soak in this blissful state of relaxation and inner peace. You're not alone in this moment. You're in the presence of your own loving energy. Now, take a deep breath, feeling the lightness in your body. Perhaps you notice a deeper sense of calm within you, or maybe a gentle smile playing on your lips. Wherever you are, trust that this feeling of inner peace is always available to you. As you rest in this peaceful state, begin to tune into the sense of deep appreciation that lies within you. Appreciate yourself for taking this time to reconnect, to heal, and to rest. Whenever you feel ready, gently start the process of returning from this meditation. Allow your body to transition slowly. Feel the earth beneath you, the air around you, and the warmth still lingering in your body. There is no rush. Take your time. Begin by wiggling your fingers and toes, gently bringing movement back into your body. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. You carry this peace within you always. Thank yourself for this moment of care and love.